Hey, hello, welcome back to another mediocre cooking show. A name I just come up because I only have 5 minutes left to come up with the show name. Nothing special today, again, I think, but I'm gonna do another semi-late night snack, but can be turned to a full meal. I'm gonna be doing fried chicken with maybe a hot honey sauce on top of it. It's gonna be garan, and it's gonna be crunchy, hopefully, if I can try to do that, and hopefully it will be good. So, see y'all when I start ingredient prepping. Alright, welcome. So, just we're gonna do ingredients. Obviously, I got the panko, the flours. I'm gonna coat it with. Obviously, starved it today. Chicken that I just washed, salt, and honey, the chili oil, and the mandatory green onion, and just extraneous spices. I got garlic, ginger, and lime. So just on the side. Alright, let's start. Heated, just some oil in it, and we're good to fry. Simple dish, so shouldn't have too much thing going wrong. Hopefully, the hardest part will just be the frying of itself, which I'm just deathly afraid of. But we got it, we can do it. Cheers. Let's try to bounce back. Now I'm gonna cook it on low heat because I don't want to die a second time. Too early for me to go into Borderlands, you know. Alright, now let's start on the hot honey. It's just gonna be honey and chili oil. Real simple. So, let's see if I grab anything else. Probably gonna dilute this honey down a little bit with some water, just so it's easy consistency to work with. I just put some water into it so that it gets down. Keep an eye on both things in case we need to. We're gonna just have to play with this chili oil can be really hot. Also, one of my more favorite bad chili oil. Right now I'm gonna try to check this chicken out. Chicken out. Nice browning on it. But I still need to double check it. Decent. Looks decent. I'd say. Survive murder attempts with this, but. Now I'm gonna keep working on the other one and just let this rest. Alright, now that I lost my life twice before, one that was stupid, and I'm not doing that. It's got, you got it. Chicken. Alright, and here we have garam with sorban almond fried chicken with hot honey and a little bit of scallions on top. Cheers! It's been fun. It's been another mediocre cooking show today that I almost died twice, and I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and start